In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Steam Family. Steam Family is a useful feature that lets you create a family group and invite members of your household. Once they're part of your Steam family, you'll be able to access the family features available to your group. To get started, make sure the people you want to add have already been added as friends on Steam. If you haven't done that yet, open Steam, go to the Friends section, and send them a friend request. Once they've accepted it, you can continue with the setup. Next, click on your account in the top right corner of Steam and select Account Details. On the Account Details page, scroll down until you find Store Preferences. From the menu on the left, click on Family Management. Now you can create your Steam family. Click Create a Family, enter a name for your family, and then click Create to confirm. After creating your family, it's time to invite members. Click Invite a Member, then choose someone from your Steam Friends list. You'll also be asked whether you want to invite them as an adult or as a child. Select the appropriate option, then click Invite once again to send the invitation. The person you've invited will receive a notification in Steam. They can click the bell icon in the top right corner of the Steam window to view their notifications. From there, they simply need to open the invitation and accept it. Once they accept the invitation, they'll officially become a member of your Steam family. You can return to the Family Management page at any time to view the members of your family group and manage future invitations if needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Steam family and invited another member to join.